We know how time-consuming it can be to update the same tour content repeatedly across multiple pages. If you want to build your tour website faster, avoid repeated work, and keep your tour content consistent, the Reusable Blocks is the right tool for you. With this tool, there is a much easier way, and in this video, I will show you exactly how to use it. Before we jump into the steps, let us first understand what this tool actually is and why it matters for your tour website. Think of the reusable blocks as a way to break your website content into small, reusable pieces called blocks. Each block might be a paragraph, an image, and frequently asked questions, or a special highlight section. Instead of editing the same info on multiple pages, you create these blocks once in your dashboard. Then, you can insert them wherever you need. You'll see reusable blocks available whenever you are adding or editing tours, pages, posts, or articles. Simply look for the plus icon to add a block. But first, you have to enable the feature. From your Tripcart dashboard, go to Apps, then Tools. Find the Reusable Blocks option and toggle it on. You only need to do this once. After enabling it, you'll find the Reusable Blocks option on the left side of your dashboard. Click Add Reusable Block to start. Give your block a clear title, something like Tour Highlights. This makes it much easier to find later. Inside the block editor, you can hit the plus icon to add any content. Text, images, quotes, or whatever fits. When you're happy with it, click Publish. One smart feature here is Sync Content. When turned on, any change you make to this block updates automatically across every page where it's used. It's a massive time saver if you're managing many tours. Ready to see it in action? Go to your Tours section and open a tour you want to update. Scroll down to sections like General tabs and click the plus icon. Search for Reusable Block and pick the one you created earlier. As mentioned, the title makes it easy to identify. Just insert it and your content is in place. Now, let's update and preview it. Here you can see the tour highlights presented neatly. Now that you have seen how the highlights block works on one tour, let me quickly show you how easy it is to reuse it on another tour. Just open a different tour from your Tours section. Scroll to the same area, click the plus icon, and choose Reusable Blocks. Select the same tour highlights block you created earlier and insert it. That is it. As you can see, the same highlights appear instantly. This keeps your tour information consistent across similar tours and saves you from repeating the same work again and again. If you ever update these highlights later, every tour featuring it will change automatically thanks to the sync feature. Now that you know how reusable blocks help you reuse important content like highlights across multiple tours, let us take this one step further. Highlights are great for selling your tour, but your customers also come with questions. Instead of answering the same questions on every post or article, you can use the same reusable block idea for FAQs. First, go back to the Tripcart dashboard, click Add Reusable Block to add new block for frequently asked questions. Now, give this one a clear title. Inside the editor, click the plus icon, search for FAQs, and select that block. You'll see spaces to enter questions and answers. For example, what's your booking policy? And you can write a clear answer right below. Click Add New Item to include more questions for cancellation policies, payment methods, or packing tips. You can format your questions by changing heading levels and easily bold key details, or add links to make them easy to skim. If a question becomes irrelevant, just delete it from the block to keep things tidy. When you are done, make sure Sync Content is turned on. Now click Publish. Now, let us place that frequently asked questions section inside a post. Scroll to the spot where you want your FAQs to show, usually near the end of the post, right before your final call to action. Click the plus icon, search for Reusable Blocks, and select it. Now pick the frequently asked questions reusable block you created earlier. As you can see, the full frequently asked questions section appears instantly without you writing it again. Now click Update. Preview the post. You will see your frequently asked questions section displayed neatly, and it looks consistent with the rest of your site. The best part is, if you ever need to change one answer, like updating your cancellation rule, you only update it once in the reusable block, and every post using it will update automatically. Reusable blocks let you write important content once and reuse it across all your tours and posts. That is all for this tutorial. If you found it useful, please like the video, subscribe for more Tripcart tips, and check out our other tutorials.